here, in my opinion, is making it even hotter. Like, oh my God, you get with a prostitute. That means I have a chance too.
He's got to go into, brothel with two huge, hunky security guards. And of course people are going to notice him. He can't just sneak in by himself.
Well,
Justin Bieber's mom. I know this may come as a shock to you. I'm not his girlfriend. And I know we want to think that this is really going to hurt sales. But he's laughing on the way to the bank.
Exactly.
He's like a male version of Miley and Amanda and Lindsay.
My only thing about this is that I wish that the security guard and the money was not to go into the brothel. Why couldn't they have just gotten the t-shirt? With groupies from place to place, I mean, for this young man, for a lot of these rockers, they are, if you're single, you're traveling the world, there's a girlfriend every place, but a random groupie is like, it's not a conversation where if you get out to the action and you get with a prospect, but the groupie doesn't want to do it. If you have to know you jump off, they're supposed to leave when they're done.
Dice Lemita.
Look what we get!
He says, from back in the day when he stole. And this is